Hello students, today I will explain you laws of exponent and we will see how these laws will help us to solve questions of this chapter. First law, if bases are same, bases are same, powers are different, multiply sign, then what will happen? Let's do by example. I'm not writing right side of it. I'm taking this 5 raised to power 2 and 5 raised to power 3. And I'm asking you, write this in exponential form. And you don't know laws. You will write in this way, okay, I will write 5 into 5 because it is 2 times. Then I will write 5 into 5 into 5. I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it is coming 6. Can you find relation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? So can you find relation? Oh yes, when you will add these powers, if you will add these powers, it will come 5 raised to power 5. So what are you observing from here? If bases are same, powers are different, multiply sign, important thing, if multiply sign, laws are applicable here only in multiply and divide. So powers will be added. M plus N. Next law, A raised to power N divided by A raised to power N. Let's see what will come. Same number, 5 raised to power 3 divided by, or I will take here 5 raised to power 6 and I will take here 5 raised to power 4. How a child will do? He will write 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 divided by 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. You must have seen how much time it is taking. Cancelled. 1, 1. What is left? 5 raised to power 2. 5 raised to power 2. And one child who knows it. Can you find any relation between this? How can you get this one? 5 raised to power 2 and 5 raised to 6 divided by 5 raised to power 4. How it will come? How this 2 will come? When you will subtract powers. When you will subtract powers, you will get 5 raised to power 2. So what have you observed? If division sign is there, bases are same. So power will be subtracted. N minus N. Important thing. I want to explain you the same thing if I will take opposite powers. Okay, look at here. If I will take 4 power before and 5 raised to power after, what will happen? 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 and 5. I'm writing it. Cancelled. I'm observing 1 upon, important thing, this is in denominator, 1 upon 5 raised to power 2. And if I will write it, and if I will write this one in numerator, it it will become minus 2. It will become minus 2 if you're taking power in numerator. Okay. So what relation we are finding? How I will get minus 2? Again, as I told you, do subtraction. Do subtraction. So 5, 4 minus 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. Greater number has minus sign. So minus 2. From these two examples, what are you observing? If m is greater, this power is greater, your answer is coming positive. Your answer is coming positive. And if this is smaller, then answer is coming in negative. Your answer is coming in negative. So we will write this point. So we have written here, if m is greater, then power will be positive. If m is smaller, power will be negative. Let's take another rule. If base has power and outside another power, what will be its answer? Let's do it again using examples. 5 raised to power 3 and outside we can write power 4. If I will say you just solve it and write in exponential form, So what you will do? Okay, 5 has power 3. It means I will multiply 5 3 times. Okay. Then outside is 4. It means I will write this 5 into 5 into 5 4 times. 5 into 5. So if I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I will write it 5 raised to power 12. How I will get this 12? Oh, if I will multiply, simply if I will multiply, I will get power 12. 3 fours are 12. So you must have seen that if we will do simple calculation, if we don't know laws, then it will make our calculation tough or time consuming. And if you will use laws, we will get answer quickly. Simply see here, 3 fours are 12, 5 raised to power 12. Let's do one. In next law, we will take if any base has power 0, what will be its answer? Again, I am not telling you. I will just take an example. Let's take, I am asking a child, just tell me what will be its answer or exponential form. Okay, 11 raised to power 4 divided by 11 raised to power 4. And child has done 11 into 11 into 11. 11 into 11 into 11. Cancel. Yes, one child was saying, ma'am, 0. When you cancel same number by same number, it comes 1, not 0. So it will be 1 into 1 upon. Though it is not required for you, only I am writing it. Means your answer is coming 1. One child is saying, ma'am, I know log exponent, and he has done because bases are same. bases are same, division sign and subtract powers, what will come? 0. One child has solved this and answer is coming 1. And one child has written in exponential form, power is 0. So what is the relation? It means if any base has power 0, it can be any number. It can be 1 crore, 5 crores, it can be any. So when you will solve, you will divide same number by same number. It will come 1, and when you will solve using exponential form, it will come 0. So that's why I'm saying if any base has power 0, answer will be 1. Now if bases are different, then what you will do? Powers are same, then write bases together in multiply form, because these are variables, so you can write together. I'm talking about only variables. It means relationship is multiply. If bases are different, division sign, then you can write in this way, divide form. Next is very common thing. If minus 1 has power, even number, even power, it will come plus 1. You remember in chapter integers, I told you if minus is coming even times, your answer will end with plus. And 1 into 1 into 1, you can multiply by any times, it will come only 1. And if it is odd number, the answer will be minus. I am just giving example for this. 2 raised to power 5 into 3 raised to power 5. You will write together. And it will be multiplied, not 23. 6 raised to power 5. If I will write the same number in divide form, so it will be in divide, same power. So it will be your this one. I hope these laws are clear to you, and definitely when you will do question based on it, these laws will help you. Thank you for watching it.